Iran apologizes on TV. The president spoke on state TV. Where did the president speak? He said sorry to the Gulf. What did the president say? The airstrikes caused damage. What did the airstrikes cause? Many people were worried. How did people feel? Iran wants better relations now. What does Iran want now? Let's learn 5 new words. Apologize. To say sorry. President. Leader of a country. Airstrike. Attack by aircraft. Gulf. Area of sea near land. Relations. Connections or dealings. Who apologized on TV? What did the airstrikes cause? What does Iran want now?